Good afternoon and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be doing addition of binary. Now I believe by now you should know binary refers to base 2 numbers. So you have to add up the following numbers in base 2. So the first number I'm having here is 10 base 2 plus 11 base 2. Now watch carefully and take note of how you add in base 2. So I'll write my solution. Okay, now so you have to arrange the number the way you do your traditional addition. Okay, let me first indicate the question I'm solving. Number 1, 10 base 2 plus 11 base 2. So arrange the numbers. I have 1 0, then I have 1 1. So draw a line. So this is a base 2 number, this is a base 2 number, and my answer as well is to be in base 2. So don't forget to add your addition sign. Now let's add. So look at this. Remember, in base 2 the highest number we can see over there is 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1. Okay, that will give you 1. You write a 1 down there. But come over here. 1 plus 1. The answer is what? Is 2. Remember I said the highest number we can get in base 2 is 1. So that means we can't write 2 down. So what do? Okay, come over to your rough sheet. So that 2, you're going to divide it by the base. What's the base? Base 2. So you divide 2 by 2. Okay, let me spell this 2 so you won't get confused. Let me spell the 2. Okay, so this is TWO to show that it's the base. So I got 2. Now I'll take it again. 0 plus 1, that's 1. Now 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is greater than 1, and this is base 2. So I have to divide the 2 by what? By the base, and the base is base 2. So 2 divided by 2, that will give me 1. Now that 1 you got, you're going to lift it up over here and write it down here. You write the 1. Then when you divided it, what was remaining? Nothing was remaining. So that's 0. So the 0 is what you're going to write down here. 0. You see that? So now let's move on to this 1 that we brought up. So this 1 plus nothing, so that 1 will come down, which is 1. That will give us 1 0 1 base 2. Okay, it's a little bit confusing, right? Let's go to the second example. Okay, example 2. So what are we having here? We have 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2. 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2. Okay, we are still going to arrange it traditionally. So 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, now this is a base 2 number, this is a base 2 number, and I want my answer to be in base 2 as well. Don't forget your addition sign. Now let's add. So 1 plus 1, that will give me 2. Oh, I can't write 2 because it's base 2. So I'm going to divide 2 by the base. And what's the base? 2. Okay, so that's 2 divided by 2. It will go how many times? It will go 1 time. Okay, so that's 1 time. I'll write it up over here. So what is remaining? Nothing. That's 0. Okay, so then I'll write the 0 over here. You see that? Now move to the next number. So this is 1 plus 0. That's 1. 1 plus 1. That's 2. Oh, I got 2 and I can write 2. So 2 divided by the base, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that will give me 1. Okay, so I'll write the 1 over here as well. Now what's the remainder? Nothing is remaining. So that means my remainder is 0. So the remainder is what I'm going to write over here as 0. Okay, now move to the third number, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That will give me 3. Oh, it's greater than 1, so I can write 3. So that means I'm going to do 3 divided by the base, and the base is 2. Okay, so how many 2 can I say in 3? That's 1. Okay, I'll come over here and I'll write the 1 over here. Now, what is remaining? If 2 should divide 3, it's going to remain 1. So the remainder is what I'm going to put down here, 1. You see that? So now come to the last number, which is 1. So 1 plus nothing, that will give you 1. You bring your 1 down. So this is my final answer in base 2. You see that? Okay, now let's move on to the third question. And the third question is 101101 base 2 plus 11012 base 2 plus 1102 base 2. Okay, let's add it. So question 3, we have 101101 base 2 plus 1101 base 2 plus 110 base 2. Okay, so still follow the same process. We're still going to arrange it the way we arrange our addition. So the biggest number first, 1 0 1 1 0 1. Remember, you start from the end. So we have 1 0 1 1, and we have 0 1 1. So draw more lines. So this number is in base 2. This number is in base 2. This number is in base 2. And I want my answer in base 2 as well. So your addition sign. Now let's add. So we have 1 plus 1, that's 2. And 2 plus 0, that's 2. Oh, we can write 2 down. So you're going to divide 2 by the base. And what is the base? 2. So 2 divided by 2, we go 1 times. So that 1 time it went, you write it up here. So what was remaining? Nothing. That's 0. So here is going to be 0. Now 1 plus 0, that will give you 1. 1 plus 0, that will give you 1. And 1 plus 1, that will give you 2. Oh, we got 2 again. So we are going to divide 2 by the base, which will give us what? 2 in 2. It will go 1 time. So you write the 1 up over here. So when 2 divided 2, was there any remainder? No. So what's going to be down here is going to be 0. Now come over here. So we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 plus 1, which is 3. 3 plus 1, which is 4. Oh, we can't write 4. So we are going to do 4 divided by the base. And what is the base? 2. That's 4 divided by 2. So how many 2 can you see in 4? I can see 2. Okay? So you write the 2 up here. Do you see that? Remember, the 2 was the number of 2 we could see in 4. So when we saw 2 in 4, what was remaining? Nothing was remaining. There won't be any remainder. So that means over here I'm going to write 0. Do you see that? Okay, now let's move to the next number. So this now is going to be 2 plus 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. Okay, now I'm having 4 again. So I have to divide 4 by the base. So how many 2 can I say in 4? 2. So I'll have to write 2 over here. Then what was remaining? Nothing. So that means over here is going to be 0 as well. Okay, now this is 2 plus 0, which will give you 2. I can write 2 as well, so I have to divide 2 by the base, which is 2, and 2 divided by 2, it will go 1 time, so you put a 1 up over here. So what was remaining? Nothing. So here is going to be 0. You see that? So now this is 1 plus 1, which will give you 2. Okay, we can still write 2. So 2 divided by the base, which will give you 1. So you put the 1, separate over here. So what was remaining? Nothing. That simply means under this place as well is going to be 0. So now this is 1 plus nothing. Okay, that's 1. So I can write 1. It's no more than 1. So this is the answer for the addition of 101101 base 2 plus 1101 base 2 plus 110 base 2. And this is my answer. Okay, so stay tuned. In the next class, I will teach you another method of adding binary. So this will be all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.